A true story about two neighbors who turned up to an Islamic court and they complained. One neighbor said, "Oh judge, this neighbor of mine has spread so many lies and rumors about me to the whole community." The judge heard both of them and said, "Tomorrow I'm going to pass my ruling. But before I do so," he asked the victimizer to take a piece of paper, to tear it into small pieces. And he said, "On your way home, just let the pieces be scattered by the wind as you go home." He did so. The next day, both of them turned to court. The judge asked the victimizer, he said, "Can you go back and collect all those small pieces of paper and put them together again to the one piece of paper that it was?" The victimizer said, "I can't do that." The judge said, "Likewise, all the rumors and the slander and the bad words you spread about your brother, you'll never be able to rectify that. You'll never be able to go to each and every person and say, I'm wrong, because these things are spread just like the pieces of paper." The moral of the story is, don't spread rumors and lies, because you'll never be able to rectify it.